is Susan from Technique Peak. Today, I'm going to show you muscle strength test for rectus and transversus abdominis the proper way. So we have the patient. We're going to check if she is able to activate her transversus and her rectus abdominis. For that, we're going to bend the knees for the patient. We're going to be a little bit lower than 90 degrees, usually 75 degrees to 80 degrees. You can put your hands on the side. Yeah. I'm going to hold I need you to keep breathing for me. Do a deep breath. Breathe out. And what I'm going to ask you is just hold your legs in this position, okay? Don't let me move. Hold it. And we're going to apply some pressure. We can see there is some weakness there. Okay, you can relax. So that was for the rectus abdominis. For the transversus, we're going to do almost the same. We're just going to ask the patient to bring the belly button down to the table. So I need you to breathe just to reset everything. I'm going to bring your legs up. Like I said, less than 80 degrees, 80 degrees. I need you to do a deep breath. Breathe out. Bring your belly button down to the table. Squeeze down and follow your legs there. So it's a little bit stronger for the transversus abdominis. This is Susan from Technique Peak.